What do I need to do to link my Gmail account with my Apple ID?
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to walk through the process of linking your Gmail account to your Apple ID. This can be really handy for several reasons, like ensuring you can recover your Apple ID, get Apple notifications in your Gmail, or simply streamline your digital life. So, let's get started.
Why should I link my Gmail to my Apple ID?
Before we begin, let's talk briefly about why you might want to do this. Linking your Gmail to your Apple ID allows you to consolidate your online activities and get notifications from Apple directly to your Gmail account. Also, if you ever forget your Apple ID or password, Apple can send password reset links or account recovery information directly to your Gmail account. It's a simple step that can make your life a lot easier.
How do I find my Apple ID settings?
The first thing we need to do is access your Apple ID settings. Here's how. 1. On your iPhone or iPad, open the Settings app. 2. Tap on your name at the top of the screen to access Apple ID settings.
How to change the email associated with your Apple ID?
Now, let's go through the steps of changing the email associated with your Apple ID. 1. In your Apple ID settings, tap on Name, Phone Numbers, Email. 2. Under the section labeled Reachable at, tap on Edit. 3. Select Add Email or Change Email. You might need to enter your device password here for security purposes. 4. Enter your Gmail address in the input field and then tap Next.
How to verify your Gmail account?
After you have added your Gmail account, Apple will send a verification email to that address. You'll need to verify it to complete the process. 1. Open your Gmail account in a separate app or browser. 2. Look for an email from Apple with the subject line, Verify your email address. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folders just in case. 3. Open the email and click the Verify link inside.
How to confirm the changes on your Apple device?
Now, let's go back to your Apple device and confirm the changes. 1. After verifying your email, go back to the Settings app on your Apple device. 2. Tap on your name at the top of the screen to access Apple ID settings. 3. Under Name, Phone Numbers, Email, you should now see your Gmail address listed. If not, you might need to refresh the page or sign out and back in. And that's it. You've successfully linked your Gmail account to your Apple ID. Now, you'll receive all the important notifications directly to your Gmail. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more tech tips and tricks. Happy teching!